Teklongkha ini cewara ini ras poribar ni royal family ni simalanggo tinoro khai malo peka ini kaje sikonsa program no Teklongkha ini set kaje tini Maharaja Birvikon Welfare Society korne udduge tinoro tini tin mohalaya din otpon kheme din o dino age ni sinino ti borok age de thoi thangnai tini bongshoni ki taku bukuroni tui khamani abar monte palai lai ni obon tini kachu uddesho kha tini oro tini raj poribar ki royal family ni kacha simalun joto saimano oro gobang machini bongshoni borok ini Maharaja Birvikon hoite tor ban bukha joto orni rajani bongshoro oro tui thangka abar simalun joto saimano o simalun kahe tini gorbo tini kacha proud tini ambo jaga kiaba balai tini durbagyo mano o simalun no ki royal family abar hampe na kin thaiga gya tini jengwan soka obo tini sarkar thaiben pore wono ang abo masawo tini kumum bukmono जों तैबो डेभलप खायना बगै जों चेष्टा साखाय दङ साखाय दङ ini ang khase tribal welfare minister ang sokon wan sogo ang tabuk sina agu phaika jaga jokonte ang tabun muteman sini Maharaja Birvikon Kishur jokne bo thibro ang je tongo ang je bono soggo apro bang khaimano tini oronio apra puila fainu phaigo tini o tini royal family ni raj poribar ni borok jottopon bongshoro ormang sogjago ang lukha ani nije ini sodep korta Maharaja sodep korta bothugor bang phaika tei tini kini bikram thugor bang phaika bogai khe lugui ani je bele kene ang kha khamjak जों wansok tongo jate o tini ase hukumu tini itihas heritage bogai tongo amra tei develop khane ba जों chesa khai tongo bui khayfano ang je amang chesa khai tongo oro tini puila hamai maro wang tini Maharaja Birvikon Welfare Society pura enjuran khai tongo pura udduge mahai barbar khajak tongo ang chasa khainai je bahaka amro unnoti khainai ang tini obro wansoka ang boydeni bisingono pura authority bangkok khainai ang khanakaro tini outla municipal council pura komo nai tongo o borni ni authority bang khainai te urban development ministry pura bos khainai te oron DM ang pura bos khainai sagai bahakla mo जों renovation je kahamke जों taimana chesta khainai puila ang wansokaro जों sikaro hal luna nango am belai tolang thangka jikang hal lugui o discutu play जों tatara tuirok oro onya jat bathaya jat bai jima khainai ang wansoka bahai khaimana ang plan khainai uda ang simia jotono rama sakkanai specially tibra sarok tini hukum hukum जों respect khayan thai teke bo khainai जों saimana oro belai sitra jagang tongkha joto nui tongo joto kha khamjak ang khagawo जों jotono khamjak lailai जों help ma khainai not only ini Maharaja Birvikon Welfare Society jotono ini tibra sarok amra जों help ma khainai ba sakalainai ang khagawo o tini kache tini mukumo tini oro ta जों tini age tini puro push tone ekhane ron muko khlai oro tini ton lainai boro thar lainai oro puja khainai o mahira ta tini balai khane tini dong khamal sa pore bang khagawo tini hai salo jotono जों ago khainam pore bang jotto tini young generation educated people should come up to help this organization especially ang moro hambai maro barbar hambai maro tini Maharaja Birvikon Welfare Society pore like ham khai tongo ang borno saga project tori khaidi project tori khaim pore o ang tam khnai khai ang sakkamai ang khagawa bo dori government help khai ang khai obote imlaka government ma sanai in urban development ma sanai in noi tongo tini taxes noi tongo smart city already tin tabo busna khaijak ini begini vice president bengkana do khainai ang boy malai nai o ka smart city development thangka ke smart city ni ta charo jom hai ung tomai oblai dai khoya o ka balai kona ma sisa ang khagawo obai sochi ni sarkar ka sarkar BJP ate sarkar abo nai khainai ole smart city develop hoi tomo jago aro bosun khopnai obrona ka point oi khainai o smart city bisi ko laina ba obrona smart city ta bosun kobang rang mai tongo o rang mai phano obrona ke develop khainai boi tung sarkar na Today I'm very grateful. First of all, I want to thank our organization Mahara Bidbipin Welfare Society for their initiative, for their contribution that this kind of function is doing now. As you all know, especially Hindu Shastra, there is a Mahalaya today, is a occasion of Mahalaya. In that very period, there is a remembrance of our old fathers who are passed away, who are gone away from this earth. We remember them and we pray for them, and we also doing small function. And this is the main occasion today. We will perform by, especially by the Mahara Bidbipin Welfare Society. So I really feel sad in this occasion that around this area, as you know, this royal family cremation ground. Even I myself have a lot of experience. Twice I came here. Our Maharaj Sadhav Kotta also cremated here, and also Kiri Bikram Kishore Khandika Bahadur also cremated here. I personally came and performed the duty. Therefore, I feel that today is the right time. Now is the right time to come off all the people to contribute and to develop this cremation ground. It is our history, it is our heritage. So everybody have to be proud of that. And especially being I'm in a part of the government, I request my government to take initiative, especially our urban development, should come up to help our this group. And urban development, we have already know that we have already declared the smart city of Agartala. So in this the fund also we can renovate, we can develop, because we have a lot of fund now available because of we have already declared the smart city of Agartala. So I'll take initiative. Personally, I'll take interest for this matter. I'll meet with the urban development minister, with the chief minister, and also with the municipal council authority, and also our DM, West Tripura DM. These people are the main group who can develop this area. So I feel this is the right time, and I request all the people, not only Mahara Bidbipin Welfare Society, everybody have to come up to cooperate and to help to develop this our heritage. But this is a royal family cremation ground. It is our proud feeling, because until unless if we don't respect our own heritage, our own culture, I think we will not get respect anywhere. Therefore, I request all the people to come up and help to develop this royal cremation ground. Thank you.
저는 베레냐이카 오로 Mahara Bidbipin Welfare 시말랑보 kulo tangjagiako. Ke oro Kiri Bikram simalang sakawa habok jabrok no ti ninga na kawan sabu.
Angguri nek ham age bang tinjak, abang tini ang plan sada, abo beri unfortunate, like this bike no, abo beri sanat na ya, sini mungkin besin realize mak kaitun. Jepun kaitun, waktu tini samas baru, waktu kita baru, sun hamsa ke sama kaitun. Abo kaitun tini itihas tu sengrok, kena bagai, kebono abo dai dia, abo tuni dai. Baru nanti, kalau tunggu kita sama kali, kemudian dua lap teri, angkiri kita government pemambang, minister bah, angkiri kita sekali, abu kos mereka, all the national, decoration, develop makanya, pula angkluk kalau boundary wall, kakak mana, abu ting makanya, tapi tahu waktu itu, kalau turun ke mana, itu tunggu ke mana, apa ini tunggu mana orang, benar-benar angkat pula semua orang nak tahu, angkat ini, special ini Mahara Bidbipin Welfare Society baru, no, teman-teman orang tekap kaitu mamba. Orang kata project mak kainai, ang sekarang project kaini ni. Sekarang ha malu nai, hal orang itu serang kanai abot ini sab kainai. Tapi boundary wall, tapi ha. Kamu tu onek film saiman, kamu ऐसा renovation kainai, kamu onek pujian anak apa saiman. Kya ba? Abot apa pujian nombor pujian mana ni? Abot itu just kainai. Ang itu ang commit saja. Abot itu yang job abot kainai, ang just kainai. বিভিন্ন authority utama lainnya. Kalau tiap han kainai, abot itu dalam kainai abot itu, ang itu ini sih, abot just kainai. Ang poin di sini mana? Di mana ang minister mulai naik, menteri mulai naik. Jadi urban development minister, abo mulai naik yang, kalau West DM, baru baca mulai naik, mulai itu mulai naik, jadi amal tunggu immediately, orang tunggu kayaknya. Tunggu kaki orang ni bang macam ni semalam, tunggu kaki jadi sentimental berapa ni kan? Tunggu kaki ni Mahara Bidbipin semalam, puno tanya dia, tapi ni jatuh ni, amal itu ruin tangkap, langsung tangkap, abang tangkap, itu di ruin kaki, angkat apa? Immediately naik, obat serang naik, ang awan coba. Tapi pula kita pan, boleh pan mana? Apa tu sih? Sesuai kan.
pan minyak kalau mau jadi simalang Kiri Bikram sakau cai kaisa borok khobjak ni kami ঠিক লাইনে borok DM ni khani wo application dah. Ablo tu ini mungkin asa nana.
Ablo ang na itu ang timit na apa tu sih masuk ni? Ang tahu confirm mo itu. Tahu confirm mo itu.
DM ni khani apply kerja.
Borok verification kini. abo sabo kaya kaya abo cinta ko kom ya abo tei sing tulis sanai yang mas sanai jate bersul kena bagai abo tenin de kana ko orang je amo to royal family ni ada kinam sundraw abo teu map ya sing kana map ya sudah royal family baru kaya map ya sebagai sing bahik lai orang tini kaya ang kana katin muslim ni kemen borong na konfirm saya apa hakengka abo tei sing kini aslai nai dokna sing police authority sanai jate mono protect kena bagai sing te bawa protect kena kiri or ko nagri kena kiri or bagai bois maka or na kini nai nai untuk kini nang na ko or acha di dokter baru or kai kop kai ka bisa confirm nai nai abo tei sing kini ko protect Itu aja